Hi, my name is Janet Dayana Cudes Rojas. I am studying environmental engineering. I am 20 years old. In this video, we will talk about classes of collision and their main characteristic, coefficient of restitution. There are three types of collision: elastic, inelastic, and perfectly elastic collision. When a collision is perfectly elastic is when the amount of motion is conserved, the kinetic energy. If the initial amount of motion is the same as the final amount of motion in considered perfectly elastic is the same as with the kinetic energy. For example, of perfectly inelastic collision are billiard balls. Deduction in the equation of the conservation of energy of system. This equation has something special because it has a medium. This can be cancelled since it is equivalent after this equation is a common date, so that the first masses are on one side of the equality and the second masses on the other side of the equality to be a common factor mass remaining, an equation with a difference of squares. In the deduction of the equation of conservation, momentum is done basically the same as a common date, so that the first masses are on one side of the equality and the second masses are on the other side of the equality. Also the common factor as masses is married, and this is divided with the equation of kinetic energy. Cancels what can be cancelled and will remain only the speed, where these have the name of initial relative velocity and finally relative velocity. This is useful for two masses traveling with initial velocities, and if these masses collide, the relative velocities are equal at the beginning and the end, but with the difference of a negative sign. There is an elastic coefficient of the restitution of collision. Deserves to look at the three cases of collision. That is, the evaluate of the coefficient of restitution come from 0 to 1, where 1 is elastic solution and 0 is perfectly inelastic collision. And between the decimal places from 0 to 1, you can see the inelastic collision. Thank you.